Right guys, hello and welcome to another episode in our Barney Family YouTube and Facebook. And we are on our way today to the Aberdeen Performance Car Show at a place called Castle something, it's Castle. Which is really good, Castle Fraser I think it is. Goodness, where are all these cars coming from? I'm trying to get out of here. So yeah, we're not going to film the whole journey there, but certainly little bits here and there as we get there. One more car, am I right? Let's do this thing. Yeah, so as always guys, if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications. That'll really support us, which is awesome. But for now, me and Young Dobbs are having our, well, David's having Nutella, while I'm having a wrap. Because we're a little bit behind today, so we're just probably going to catch the last couple of hours of the car show. Out for now, look, lovely view, lovely day. Wow, it should be beautiful today. Really, really good. Yeah, I'll tell you, it looks a little bit dull in the sort of winter time, but see in the summertime, check that out. So that's us coming towards Keith. And it's Huntly, Inverurie, Castle Fraser. Yeah, this little bit of Keith is very nice guys. I'll just switch on for a few seconds and let you have a quick look. I don't know how many times we've done this road. So this is basically just the sort of main artery road that takes you to Aberdeen. We're not going as far as that today, even though it's called Aberdeen Performance Car Show. Oh yeah, what to show you. Just lovely in the summer. Yeah, what have we got with it? Oh, I think this guy's just got pulled over for speeding or something maybe. The old traffic cops have got him. Sorry buddy. Right, so guy's just pulling over quick because the turn off to this Castle Fraser, I think Sunny Buoy, is not far away now. Google Maps, Castle Fraser. I do love this little valley we go through here guys, check this out. Just beautiful. Look. Keep forgetting Aberdeenshire is pretty bonny. It's not just the Highlands, is it? Yeah, it's a lovely bit of road this. Well, I have to do like a Barney Family top 10 of beautiful roads in Scotland. Yeah. This bit might break into it, I don't know. And how's that for yet another view? Eh, looking beautiful. So these guys outside have got the right idea, they're going to watch the cars going away. Like.
Continue for half a mile. We'll probably see some cars on this line.
I know, and you know something, I still can't, for all the cars we've seen leaving, look how many are still here. Now we're going to try and learn from this experience, you know that, but a lot of people are leaving, right? It's finished in about an hour and a half's time. Is this a good time to come to these things?
There's a red Land Rover Defender and it's the one we want.
Oh, it's my baby. And here we go. Oh, 200SX, look at that. We've seen this one before, haven't we? That's how it's done, people. Right. Yeah, we're just going to go straight over and then work our way back. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh,
Classic.
it's a GTA 5 one. It says Los Santos on it.
Oh, we'll see it. We've got the authentic American cars today. Oh, yeah. Man alive, and look at the castle. The castle's awesome as well. See what I mean? Look at this thing. Aye, you Americans know how it's done. Look at that. And we will come back to these and work our way back. Man alive, and take a look at that. course, the big bikies. Yeah, this way. This is what we came to see, you guys. There's just a couple of Ferraris. Wow. That was gorgeous, isn't it? That was absolutely gorgeous.
Look, there's 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, we've got them over here. And there's the 355, that's amazing. Oh yeah. Is that a 458, that one?
That's a new one, and then
No, I know that's a 458, isn't it?
that's a new one. This is a bit of an older one, and that's an old one. I thought they would have had it in a timeline. What if they had all the Ferraris in a timeline?
Cobra. Like, these things are monsters. Like Cobra. Look, there's another purple Cobra over there actually.
Where are the cool cars over here?
I don't know actually. Oh yeah, that is nice. Yeah, that's the Magnum one, isn't it? Is that the one? It's an old TV program called Magnum PI, wasn't it?
Oh, look at the steering wheel.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? And look at this.
James, hang on a second.
Oh, very, very nice, eh, Sonny boy? Very, very nice. And of course, we've got our Cosworths, some Mark IIs, Mercedes SLS. Goodness me, a Lotus Carlton. I haven't seen one of them for a while. But no, you just keep coming back, don't you, son? Still class, though. Look, eh? Look at that. Just looks wicked, doesn't it? Just looks absolutely beautiful.
I'm sure we saw that one at the last car show.
I think so.
That one up there.
I can't quite remember, son.
I have to look at the number.
I know there was a 458 the last time, wasn't there? Wow, look. V6 or a V8?
Maybe you're age older. 18. Oh, you're definitely going to get turned that. Yeah, not a chance.
Very nice indeed. VRS. One big, we've still got a few big ones yet. Very nice. Oh, GT3. Beautiful. So Porsche, it's actually a Porsche dealership that's out here today. Porsche, just wicked. Oh yeah. That sounds very nice, doesn't it? Sorry, mate. Let's see. RS2000.
Ford Escort.
Aye, the Mark IIs. Nice. See, this is more our territory. Look, you could put the Fireblade up on that stand, you know.
We could have. If only we brought the Fireblade, we could have asked them.
Oh, we could have put the Fireblade on that stand, you guys, quite easily. Now we're still on it with the KTMs, look. That's the one, H2SX. Oh yeah, very nice. Yeah, I think that has to be the next bike, guys.
That's the one that we're getting.
That is a dream bike. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a really nice colour, that one. That was very nice, look, guys, eh? Right, so let's work our way back down again, eh? See what we can see.
It's an Iron Man car.
Now we're getting into Subaru and Pretzel Land. Looking amazing.
That V8.
Big V8, that one, for sure. Oh, it's looking quite nice. The Bat bike. Now, you could call that the Bat bike, couldn't you? That's nitrous oxide on there.
Same big wheel on the back.
Ooh. Oh, and there's the Fast and Furious GTR, like.
Same like this one. Nice.
Monster, isn't she? Oh, yeah, got all the gear in there. This must be a few of the drifter dudes, eh? I would think. Oh, it's a drifter, that one. Oh, that's a monster, that one. Now, you know something? I saw this engine in one of the Mark II Escorts at the Snowman Rally. Do you know that? I'm sure of it, in fact. They put a GTR engine into a Mark II Escort. They must do. Oh, and that Ford Focus is very nice. But this is what we're back to see, look. That thing is wicked.
Oh, why that Ford Raptor isn't in here?
I know, where's your Ford Raptors at, my boy?
He deserves a spot in here.
The Ford Raptor deserves a wee spot, doesn't he? Eh? That is just amazing. Well, let's see if we can find your Ford Raptor, eh?
If we see him sitting in his car in the big field, we're going to say to him, you should have been in there.
Yeah. Right, so Mustangs and Chargers time.
I wonder if he calls that blue one the Blue Tiger. The Blue Tiger.
Tell you, I'm a bit more of a Ford Mustang guy, but I'll tell you that is a really nice Charger. Oh.
I want to go see the Dodge Ram.
Yeah, I think the Dodge Ram's down there. See, where are you? The top there. See your normal engine where we were working with the cam covers. That's the supercharger they put on top.
They come across as so professional and, you know.
Oh, just beautiful. That is just beautiful.
It's my second dream car.
One day, son, one day. Yeah, that is very nice. I've seen a couple of Shelby ones though. There's a Ram there, here we go. The big bad Ram. I think we've seen him before as well, haven't we? He's at quite a lot of these shows. Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh, there's another bike show.
Is there another bike show over here?
Yeah, BMX bike. Look, he's got color changing lights on the
Oh yeah, in front of his charger, yeah. Look at this though. Is that a V8 or a V6? Very simple, eh?
How easy it is to get to the end.
I think your granddad had one of them once. That is nice. That is nice, isn't it? And again, we're just looking absolutely beautiful. Here we go.
Best shot. Aiden, you think you can do it? 8 shots, I think that was. So, let's do it. Ready, Georgie boy?
Wow, that is high. He's over there, Luke.
Now you know why it's success rate. So, who's going to start the running factor? My hand on it. Georgie boy!
Top of the van. Aiden, are you ready? You're first, mate. Oh God, I don't know if that's worse. Maybe they'll crash into you. No, who knows? Right, crowd, let's count in from 10 with me. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take it away. 1, 2, 3, go dropping in the crowd. Come on, let's hear it. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, that was great.
That's a more rare Ferrari. Hey Stan, is that a 612? No, that's actually 612s are newer, aren't they? Oh, look at that, eh? Oh, it's made it gorgeous. It's just gorgeous, that. Yeah. That is beautiful, isn't it? That is beautiful. The Snowman Rally, you guys. And the Speyside Rally, look. This is one of the cars that were there. Look, the Mark II Escort. I am absolutely sure that's the one. No, it is, that's the one.
What, did you have one?
No, I wish. My mate had one.
Does he still have it?
No. No, look. Oh yeah, I mean look at that engine bay. I think we'd have to do a bit of work to get an engine bay looking like that.
It's easier to get to it.
So, isn't it?
What kind of battery does he have?
And look at this. That is gorgeous, mate, gorgeous.
Is that his battery?
Ah, wee battery.
Tiny.
Not a big engine, I suppose, but yeah, I'd have to check back on our videos, but I'm sure that's right. Now, is this a Nissan engine? No, it's not. Simpson race exhausts. You notice instead of rubber hoses like we have in the lorry, they've got braided metal hoses. They're a lot better. And look, fluid, front, rear, and clutch. That's for when if you crash. I think that's for the fire system, and that's for the electrical system. But look at that, that is amazing. Look, it's got one of the keys that Jessica's got. Like.
It kind of looks like Grant's car.
Aye, no, that's definitely the guys. I'm sure it is. I'm 99.9.
BRT.
Why is that not in there? Come on! Beautiful. Well, I think that's us, guys. Hey, we'll get going, sonny boy. Now, I think I made this joke the last time, that look at my Land Rover. We should be in there. Classic vehicles, my boy. Eh?
What's got a classic car show?
22 years old's not bad. Yeah, he's always been a good looking vehicle, or I at least think so anyway, eh?